Hello everyone, that would be the Sonic demo video for the restored Technics RS-M95. I will be recording on TDK SA90, deck calibrated for this tape. I will be switching source and tape so you would be able to hear. So enjoy. Let me start recording on computer. All right, we're recording. Music ready. Enjoy.
We're drowning in our eyes, don't know what we'll find. Not sure, should we fly or fight this? We're terrified, pretending not that we don't care. Tension cuts the air, we're more than scared. I'm drowning in your eyes, I'm terrified. I don't know what's happening for me. Can you hear my pulse beat underneath? Words are getting hard for me to speak, that's new for me. Letting my fears show till I can face them. Letting my tears go till I can taste them. How do I know where you went back? Oh, damn it, I hope you come back home. Come back home. It's hard to sleep at night when it's do or die, while our world spins round and round and we're paralyzed, pretending not that we don't care. Tension cuts the air, we're more than scared. So lost inside our eyes, we're terrified. Letting my feet show till I can face them. Letting my tears go till I can taste them. How do I know where you and I go? Damn it, I hope you come back home. Come back home. Come back home. I don't know what's happening for me. Can you hear my pulse beat underneath? Words are getting hard for me to speak, that's new for me. Letting my feet show, letting my tears go. How do I know where you and I go? Damn it, I hope. Letting my feet show till I can face them. Letting my tears go till I can taste them. How do I know where you and I go? Damn it, I hope you come back home. Come back home. Come back home.
All right. Hope you enjoyed the sound. It's really, record's really nice. I like the deck. Only like it don't record well above, I believe, 16, 17 kilohertz and below 30 hertz. So technically design is good, but not full much than commission. But I hope you liked how it sounds. And you may hear now that it sounds like more detailed and like not the same as Pioneer A9 and restored, but it was sounding exactly the same as Pioneer A9 before I replaced all capacitors in this deck. Thanks for your time. See you on my channel. Bye-bye.